Civil engineering Venus University has already been concerned to mitigate the COVID-19 pandemic. From March until August, over 120,000 cases confirmed, 5,500 people deceased, 38,000 treated, and 77,000 has recovered. General Director of Preconstruction said, "We also began to feel that our ongoing projects were constrained by the mobilization process and the availability of labor or materials or equipment. To overcome the slowdown in project completion, we ended up temporarily stopping work if the project was located in the red zone." And how can we prevent COVID-19 during pre-construction? The answer is by social distancing, avoiding crowd, and minimize direct interaction. But how? Introducing Unmanned Aerial Vehicle System. This system can generate photogrammetric 3D for real-time monitoring, compare time, accuracy, cost, and productivity, analyze the limits for real-time monitoring, and can be input for the owner, contractor, and supervision team in conducting real-time monitoring. Here's how it works. We fly the drone and let it collect the images. From our computer, we select images we want and import them to the software. The images captured by the drone have the digital data that can be processed into point cloud data to make a 3D object. And here's the result comparison between using conventional method versus unmanned aerial vehicle system. The results obtained in the use of this unmanned aerial vehicle is 3D objects that facilitate the monitoring process and its integration in the future building information modeling system. It's 35% faster, 96% accurate. Could save spending up to over 70%. Therefore, the productivity level could increase up to 95%. Civil engineering Venus University. The bridge for nation improvement.